Hello guys, welcome back to Healthy Bites. So today we're gonna make these gorgeous golden brown cookies which are made up of only three simple ingredients, which are 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 3/4 cups of jaggery powder and 1 large tablespoon of ghee.
We just incorporate the wheat, the jaggery powder and the ghee, mix it well, and the consistency should be that when we try to hold it in our palms slightly with a light pressure on it, the mixture will come to form a ball. But if we apply little pressure to break it, it will just crumble down like so. And so to this consistency of the dough, we'll add in water and make it like the dough consistency, like for the chapati dough, the same consistency. Instead it will look like
Make
caramelized
this consistency
flour,
of the dough wherein
it's less
you can make
sweeter.
a small bowl out of it, but if you apply a little bit
So
of
we'll
pressure,
just
it
stretch
will
this
just crumble
dough
down.
and make
So
it
to this consistency, I'm adding in little bit
a
of
ball
water.
shaped.
The total quantity of water used by me was like about 2 big tablespoons. And now I'm gonna stretch this dough.
Herein I'm just stretching out the dough to activate the gluten in the wheats, and this will help the cookies to maintain their shape even when we are baking them at a high temperature and not to crumble down in the oven. So this is a very crucial step and you should all do it, and keep it to rest for 5 minutes, then add in some flour and make it a ball out of it. Just make a ball out of this mixture and allow it to rest for 2 minutes.
So this dough will be very sticky. It will be sticking to your hand, not too much, but like to the fingertips and so. And so to make it little bit less slippery to work with, I added in 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. Now with the help of rolling pin, I'll roll it out into a huge circle on my rolling surface. And to the top surface, I will add in the roasted sesame seeds. The edges will be broken. By the way, you can fix it with your finger. Nothing fancy in here. And then just even out every surface, every corner, even though it's not a square, but every corner. Okay, so this is the thickness, guys, from the side. And now in a pan, I added in little bit of parchment paper, and we'll cut with the help of a bowl. I intentionally will cut these cookies into half moon shaped, so that even if when I'm eating 2 of these cookies, the calories will be half. So intelligent of me, guys. Yes, thank me later. Okay, I topped these cookies with the roasted sesame seeds. I forgot it here, but the future Sudiksha is telling you that she did. And for the temperature, it's 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 9 minutes. You can cook it in a microwave or an air fryer like me, and see these beauty, guys.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this recipe, do click on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to be notified, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon next to it so you'll be notified every time I bake. See you guys in the next one.